Today we will learn about intersecting lines and parallel lines. In the previous video, we learned about point, line segment, line, and ray. Let's review them. A very small mark indicating a position or location is called a point. To show a point on paper, we make a small mark or dot with a pen or pencil and name it with a capital letter in English. If we draw two such points and connect them directly to the path, then we get the shortest path between these 2 points. The shortest path between 2 points is called a line segment. The line segment is named based on its endpoints, such as the name of this line segment is line segment AB or line segment BA. If we keep on extending a line segment without ending in both directions, we get a line. A line does not end. To express this on paper, we draw arrows at both ends of the line. To name a line, we take 2 points on it and name the line as line AB. It can also be named with a small English alphabet such as line L. If the line segment is extended only in one direction, we get a ray. The ray starts at a certain point, which we call the starting point. By showing arrows in the direction in which the ray extends, we express that the ray will keep extending without an end. By using these points A and B for the ray, we name the ray AB this way. Now let's understand geometry more thoroughly by understanding intersecting lines and parallel lines. Look at the given figure. Here the line L and the line M passes through a point. We can say that these two lines have a common point. If two lines have a common point, then they are called intersecting lines. Pause the video and remember the situations where you would have seen such intersecting lines. The intersecting lines can be seen in many situations, such as the floor of a house. Many times the floors are arranged in such a way that they form the intersecting lines. When the rails meet at one place, they form intersecting lines. Similarly, you can see the intersecting lines in the arrangement of pipes, arrangement of wires, etc. Now tell me, can more than two lines pass through the same point? Think for a while. You are right. Any number of lines can intersect at a point. Can there be lines that do not meet at any point? Think. You are right. If the distance between two lines always remains the same, then they will never be able to intersect. Lines that do not intersect are called parallel lines, such as rail tracks, electric wires, roadside or stripes made on it, etc. When two lines are parallel, we denote it as shown. And remember that the distance between the two parallel lines is always the same. So today we learned intersecting lines and parallel lines. In the next video, we will solve examples related to these. Today we will see examples of intersecting lines and parallel lines. Of the given figures, which one is an example of intersecting lines and which one is an example of parallel lines? The two lines in figure A do not intersect at any point. Even if we extend those lines, they will not intersect at any point. Lines that do not intersect are called parallel lines. Therefore, the lines of figure A are parallel lines. The lines of figure B intersect at a point. Lines that intersect at a point are called intersecting lines. Hence, figure B is an example of intersecting lines. Next example, find the pairs of intersecting lines and parallel lines in the figure given below. As we can see, the lines AC and BD do not intersect each other at any point. Even if we extend both the lines AC and BD, they will never intersect. Hence, the lines AC and line BD are parallel lines. Apart from these, there are no two lines in the given figure which are parallel lines. Now, let us find the pairs of intersecting lines in the given figure. If two lines intersect, then we call them intersecting lines. The following are the pairs of intersecting lines in the given figure. Line AB and line CA. They are intersecting lines because they intersect at point A. Line DC and line CA. They are intersecting lines because they intersect at point C. Line AB and line BD. They are intersecting lines because they intersect at point B. Line DC and line BD. They are lines of intersection because they intersect at point D. Apart from these pairs of lines, there is another pair of intersecting lines in the given figure. Can you find out? Think for a while. Let me tell you. Notice the line AB and the line CD. These lines in the figure may not intersect each other. But if extended, they will intersect at one point. As a result, we can say that line AB and line CD are also a pair of intersecting lines. Now you know about parallel lines and intersecting lines. So, try to solve the following questions yourself. Question 1. Find all those English alphabets made of parallel lines. Like for example, the alphabet E. On extending the lines, they never meet. Hence, it is made of parallel lines. Question 2. Find all those English alphabets made of intersecting lines. Like for example, the alphabet V. On extending the lines, they intersect. Hence, it is made of intersecting lines. Today in this video, we saw few examples of intersecting lines and parallel lines. In the next video, we will clear some of the misconceptions related to them. Today we will see some misconceptions related with intersecting lines and parallel lines. Misconception 1. Two lines are shown below. Find out whether they are parallel lines or intersecting lines. Lines that do not intersect are called parallel lines, whereas lines which intersect at a point are called intersecting lines. Some children memorize these interpretations. They do not understand their true meaning. As children see here that the given lines are not intersecting at any point, they think that the given lines are parallel lines. With this misunderstanding, option 1, the wrong answer is chosen. The correct understanding is that the lines can be extended on both sides. The lines in the figure do not appear to intersect, but if extended, they will appear to intersect at one point. Therefore, both lines are intersecting lines. That is, option 2 is the correct answer. Misconception 2. Which of the following is the correct pair of parallel lines? Many students understand that lines are represented in the first three options. They think that the pair given in each option do not intersect each other. Therefore, in all three options, a pair of parallel lines is represented. Therefore, they choose option 4, which is a wrong answer. In the given figure, observe option 1. there are no parallel lines. Rather, if we observe this, we get to know that this is a figure made of line segment and a ray. Since their directions are changing, they are not representing lines. Similarly, figure represented in option 2 is not extending in straight form, rather extending by turns. We call these lines or curved lines. Correct understanding is that a line extends in both directions without any turns. Since these lines given in option 3 are not intersecting, these are parallel lines. Hence, only option 3 represent parallel lines. Therefore, option 1, 2, 4 are incorrect and the correct answer is option 3. So today we have seen some misconceptions related to intersecting lines and parallel lines.